what to do when you lose your key fob and how to fix it. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy and this is Jeep Life with Jeep Mama, and today we're going to talk about key fobs and how important they are to your vehicle and to you. Every day I get about 1 to 3 people coming in wanting to get a new key cut for their vehicle. And it's not that simple anymore. You can't just run to the hardware store and cut a new key for your vehicle. These key fobs, and actually this is an older key fob, they have chips in them and they are specifically meant for your vehicle. You can't just go buy a new key fob and use it in your vehicle. There's a whole process. A lot of people don't know, and there's a big sticker shock. So if you lose your key fob, this is what happens. So if you lose your key fob and you don't have a second backup set, this is what you have to do. Number one, you have to call your local dealer with whichever vehicle you have, order a new key fob. That can cost anywhere from $100 to $250 just for the fob part. If you have one of those key fobs with a hide key, that hide key is an extra $50. There you go, just for the key fob itself. And the hide key, it's about $250, $300 depending on your model of key. The other thing is, there could be a back order of your key fob. There could be no key fob available until who knows when. Then you're really out of luck. Then you have to program that key, but you don't program it, your dealer has to. And your vehicle needs to be with the key fob at the dealer to program your special PIN number for your specific vehicle at the dealer. Oh my gosh, I lost my key. How do I get my car to the dealer? You have to get it towed. So that's another $50 to $150 just to get your vehicle to the dealer to program your $250 key fob. Then you have to pay to get your key fob programmed. And depending on where you are, it could be anywhere from $50 to $80. So you need to try really hard not to lose that key fob. Or you have a backup one. And I have a third one in the house just for these reasons. You need to do all you can to not lose your key fob. I have people calling all the time, oh, my wife lost the key fob. Oh, my 3-year-old was playing with my keys and now we don't know where it is. My neighbor ran over my key fob with their lawnmower. Don't let this happen because it can be very costly. It can be up to $400 to $500 just to get a new key. So here is a tip. Number one, don't lose your key fob. Number two, when you're out on the trails and everybody stops because the person in front of you is going over an obstacle and you want to get out to watch that person go over the obstacle, don't take your keys with you because there's a possibility you could lose them out in the wilderness. It could fall down in between some rocks, in the mud, wherever you are. So what I do is I take my keys and I set them right here on my dash. That way when I get back in my vehicle, I know they're there. I'm not frantically looking all over for them. So get in the habit of keeping your keys in your Jeep when you're out on the trails. That way you don't have to spend hours looking for them if you lost them. Number three, when you get home or wherever you're going, always have a place where you put your key, whether it's in your purse, in a key bowl in the house. Always get in the habit of putting that key in that one specific spot so you don't lose it. Number four, if you're a person who puts their keys in their pocket, it might be a good idea before you do your laundry to always check your pockets because you don't want to wash that key fob because that's going to cost you $400. And number five, you may want to consider getting the Vehicle Protection Maximum Care. It provides coverage for up to 3 key fob repairs or replacement with a total maximum coverage benefit of $600. So if you lose your key fob, there's really no other option but to buy a new one. That's all you can do. In this day and age, with computers in everything we own, these keys also have a chip, which there was a shortage of chips, and now the price has gone up. So This is a precious commodity. Keep track of it. Try your very best not to lose it, because if you do, you're going to be in for a big sticker shock. Like every day, people come in and they are shocked at how much these new keys are. Thanks for watching this video, and do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Comment on this video, have you ever lost your key? How much did it cost you? Give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends.